brand new V-Class Mercedes in for the Can Immo Immobiliser. At the moment we've got a special promotion deal on. We're doing a free S7 tracker. In your pack you'll get emergency override card, our contact details. We also give you a spare battery and screwdriver to be able to change the battery in your free tag. So free tag, leather case, free Faraday bag. So tags all hidden away. Let me show you how this one works. So these will start on the Mercedes. If you keep watching the dashboard, if you watch the bottom right hand side where we select gear, it just bounces back to park. That is the immobiliser in action. We cannot select gear. So I'll enter the customer's demo code. If you watch the bottom left there, you'll get an indication to say it's disarmed. We'll get a flash there of the side light. And now when we select gear, all good. Back into park. And then this one doesn't rearm until we exit the vehicle. So very convenient. If you switch it off, we can restart and drive away. But if we open the driver's door, if you watch the bottom left corner, 2 flashes to the side lights, you're now fully protected. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Also with a free S7, get in contact, Tony Lit Car Security. Thank you very much.